Okay guys, oftentimes I see people saying that, oh, I want to start creating content, but I don't know how to start. I want to start creating content, but I don't know how to go about it. I want to start creating content, but I don't know what I will start doing. I don't know how to go about it. Listen to me very, very clear right now. You see, the issue of content creating. First of all, you have to know that thing that you are very good at. It can either be comedy, it can either be music, it can either be educative videos. Maybe you are educating people on something that you know very, very well, or you are passing information to people. You are trying to give people update of what is happening currently, or you are reacting on people's video, or you're a musician, or you are those people that eat on Facebook. A lot of things can be content. So far, you know that this thing you are trying to upload, either people are going to be entertained from it, or you are going to educate people from it, or you are going to give people updates of what is happening around them, or you are going to react on people's video telling people this is what is happening. Anything can be content, because Facebook, you see social media today, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all these things are just like the world, just like word in a digital form. Definitely anything you are uploading, definitely you must have a niche, people that are going to like it. So first of all, you have to identify that thing that you are very good at. Then once you have find out what you want to be uploading, the kind of content you want to be creating, then go to your page, go to your Facebook and look for people who are also dropping similar content that are already old in the game, people who are already master of the game. Go and follow them and be watching their video as well. Watch the way they are always presenting their own video and learn from them. Improve yourself through their own video. You see, it can actually help you to improve. Just be watching those people that are dropping the same content you want to be dropping. Just be watching their video and always learn from them. It can help you to also help you to improve. The next thing you should do right now is for you to go and open a Facebook page, open a YouTube channel, open an Instagram account, open TikTok as well. Then after you are done opening those things, the next thing you have to do right now, you have your phone ready. Even if you don't have money to buy cameras, don't worry about that. With your phone that has good camera, you can start. I will also make a video very, very soon. For those of you that say your phone doesn't have a good camera, I will make a video very soon. I will tell you the app you're going to be downloading that you'll be using to be videoing yourself, that is going to make it look like high quality standard of video. So once you already have your phone, the next thing you have to do right now is you go and buy, in case you don't have someone that will help you to hold your phone, check on my page. I already made a video about that. This thing, you have to buy this thing that will help you to hold your phone while you showcase your talent. So check my page, you will see where I made that video on that. So once you have that also set and ready, download also this app called CapCut, or InShot. Once you are done videoing yourself, once you are done doing whatever you are doing as a content, you upload those things to your CapCut or to your InShot and edit the video. Remove some of the errors you made while videoing yourself. Remove those errors. Once you are done with that, you save it to your gallery. The next thing you do, you bring it to your page. You upload it to your page with a very good caption. Let your caption be something that will attract people. Yes, look for a good caption that will attract people to watch that video. And after that, also try to have a good thumbnail. In case you don't know what thumbnail is, go to my page. I made a video about how to create a thumbnail for videos. Thumbnail is something that we want to attract people to your page to watch your video. So add thumbnail to that video. Then the next thing you have to do right now, after adding your caption, the next thing you have to do is you look for 3 or 4 active hashtag. 3 or 4 active hashtags, something that is trending recently. A hashtag that you know this is what is trending recently. Then you add that hashtag to it. After adding the hashtag, go and use that your page to join 3 or 4 active Facebook group where people can be allowed to share their videos. Join those Facebook group with your page. Then once you have joined those Facebook, once you have uploaded that video, you share that video to those group, 3 or 4. Don't let it not be much to avoid Facebook flagging you. Just 3 or 4 of those group, share it to that place, and keep on doing it like twice a day. Upload videos twice a day. Upload video. Make sure your video is something that has quality. Okay, make sure it's something that has quality. Don't give up. Don't forget that there are people that will still want to discourage you, but don't look at them. Keep on going. Thank you.